Welcome. Today, we're going to walk you through the process of reinstalling the Discord app on your device. Whether you're facing technical issues or just want to start fresh, reinstalling can often resolve many problems. Let's get started with the steps. First, we need to uninstall the Discord app. To do this, press and hold the Discord icon on your home screen or app drawer. After a moment, the uninstall option will appear. Go ahead and tap on Uninstall, then confirm your choice. This will remove the app from your device. Now that the app is uninstalled, it's time to reinstall it. Open the Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar at the top, type in Discord and hit search. You'll see the official Discord app appear in the results. Tap on the app, and then tap the Install button. The download should begin, and it won't take long to complete. Once the installation is finished, it's time to log back into your account. Open the Discord app, and you'll be greeted with the login screen. Enter your username or email address, followed by your password, and then tap Login. Within moments, you'll be back in your account, ready to connect with friends and communities. And that's all there is to it. Reinstalling Discord is a simple process that can help troubleshoot issues or just give you a fresh start. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.